Hello, my dear students. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a very inspiring success story of one of our bright student, Utkarsh Prakash. So, Utkarsh Prakash is from Bihar. He has done his master's from IN College, Patna in environmental sciences. Then he was studying with us on live online program from Bihar. And in that series, he was preparing for all the PhD exams as well as NET-JRF, and he qualified NET-LS in first attempt with a very good score. And then he applied for the open entrance and interview at IIT Dhanbad or ISM Dhanbad, which is known as. In that series, he got selected for the PhD program there in environmental sciences. The entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation congratulate Utkarsh Prakash for such a remarkable feat for getting IIT Dhanbad for PhD program. So he has worked very hard with the team for interviews and the entrances. At present, our team is offering the NET-JRF classroom program offline in Delhi, online program from anywhere across the globe, correspondence with video program and correspondence program along with the test series. So these programs are available for the February exam, February 2023, as well as the June 2023, those people who are interested. Along with that, a special emphasis being given on the interview training. GATE 2024 Environmental Science and Engineering and Ecology Evolution programs are also available. Along with that, master's program in any life science domain, such as biotech, life sciences, environmental sciences, biomedical sciences, biochemistry, microbiology, all of them are available via CUET. Any other sort of CUET exam undergraduate is also available at the center. The special wing who provide the training for master's and PhD program abroad is also functional at the institute. So once again, we would like to congratulate Utkarsh Prakash for such a remarkable feat and wish him good luck for the PhD journey. Thank you.